Hello everyone, very good evening to all. As you would have already seen the banner, the thumbnail of the video, we are going to have a detailed analysis on Asian Paints. Last video was in Hindi. Some people asked me to make a video in English, so this I'm doing in English. Would not be using the much hi-fi English, would be using a light English. Let's not worry for that. So today what we are going to cover about the company, introduction about the company, its various products, charts, balance sheets, profit and loss accounts, promoters, dividend policies, past returns, and what is the comparison with the Sensex, the benchmarks, and the very last, the comparison with the peers, the other companies in the same sectors. All right, starting from the about the company, though company don't need any kind of introduction, हर घर कुछ कहता है, सेम इसी तरीके से आज देखेंगे कि हर नंबर अबाउट दी बैलेंस शीट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस कुछ ना कुछ कहता है. वेरियस प्रोडक्ट्स, पता है अच्छी बात, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट द कंपनी? Company is not only into the paints, they have started to diversify themselves into various products. Paints and textures. Recently, 1 year back, they entered into adhesives as well. Moreover, that created a fear to Pidilite. Obviously, Pidilite is the market leader. Now, Pidilite started facing the competition from none other than Asian Paints into the same brandings. Going back to this, about the company, moreover, a company is known from its management. For example, if I ask you to tell me about the management of Arcom, Reliance Capital, DHFL, etc., you would be like, seriously, are we going to enter in long-term business with them? No. Now, have a look to this. I typed out Asian Paints news, have the first link that says Asian Paint raises staff salaries, that too of today's. Even in the midst of COVID-19, they are raising the salaries to boost the morale of their employees. That means the management takes care of their employees. What is the MD says? We have set to an example of a true leadership and organization that take care of all stakeholders. Moving back, this was the part of news. This was the company's balance sheets. Now, number 3 was the chart. This is the daily chart. Let's have a long run post and pre-COVID-19. The daily chart seems to have a good run up because we are on a long-term detail analysis. Let's have a weekly and a monthly chart. The weekly chart says we have a proper 45-degree angle. Can you see a proper 45-degree angle from 2013 mid? Now even this long-term trend line is still intact after, or I should say, the post-COVID-19. That means someone is willing to buy at heavy valuations as well. Have a look. This was the COVID candle, March 19 monthly chart. This is still intact. this is still intact. That means the valuations of the companies are still valid out. Moreover, after the chart, this was the chart that we can see the stock is making a higher highs. Next one, if we go with the chart, let's move to the balance sheets. So this is the Money Control website. I typed about Asian Paints. The stock was 2% up, gaining 31 points. Further, have a look at the giant market cap. That is the best part. Market cap is 1,50,000 crore. 6 digits. That too in crore. Next one. The company is having a low PE ratio than whole industry PE ratio. Let's move to next. About the financials, about the balance sheets. What the company have into their balance sheets. Can we get a full-fledged balance sheet? Can we? Let's check out. Yes, we can. So this is the balance sheet of Asian Paints. That says every year 4100, 4800, 6900, 77, 87. Every year company is able to add 1,000 crore of reserves. 1,000 crores of reserves are being able to add up. Debt part. Debt is almost negligible, hardly 1,500 crores. That too may be because of a vendor, bonds, debentures, etc. Company is using these reserves to boost the morale, which you have already seen up. Further, net block, kind of long-term assets. Net block from 2,500 to 4,600. That means now the company has more production, which we were talking about adhesives as well, right? So company is having more sales, more operating capacity. This plant that has been converted and have been transferred to net block. Next part. Company's court case have been settled out. This court case have been settled out. That means they don't owe any kind of fear. They don't owe any kind of liability as well. This was a small crux on the balance sheet part. Now, after this balance sheets, let's move to P&L account. Using the screener.in for P&L account. This is quarterly results. Now, this is yearly results. Highlighting the sales, this is the top line revenue 4,000, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19 and now it is expected to 20. Can you see one thing? Not even a single year when the sales were down. Wow. Simply amazing. Not only the sales, they have been able to capture or reduce their expenses as well. That is operating profit says 660, 673, 1200, 13, 15, 17, 19, 22, 27 and 4,000. Next year it can be 5,000, 6,000. The company is able to manage its market capture, sales as well as expenses. The bottom line after all tax, expenses, interest, dues, penalties 400, 398, 800, zooming to 800, 800, 900, 11, 12, 13 and started to move steadily. Every year 200, 300, every year 200, 300 crores. The company have been able to move out. which means the same sales or the net profit growth can be expected in the upcoming parts. Next, about the promoters, about the promoter holdings. Let's check out the promoter holdings. Going back to money control, shareholdings, here we have promoter is holding 52%, almost 53%. A small pledge is there, but the best part, they are working on reducing the pledge from 12 to 11.9, 11.8, most probably 10 and 6 and 0. This pledge is already factored in, so no need to worry. This has already been factored into the charts. Next best part possible, FII, DII holds 34%. 52 is with promoter, almost 53. 34 is with the FII and DII. So I can say almost 87% is in the big hands, another 5% with the mutual funds, etc., etc. Hardly few is left out which is available in the market on a trading basis. So promoter, that seems to be good. They have more than 50%, that gives a good voting rights. Now the number 7 was the dividend policies. Dividend payout ratio 40, 42, 30, 39, 42, 45, 45, 51. Every year from last 6 years they have been able to manage 40, 42, 40, 42%. The company is able to take care of its shareholders as well, using the reserves for production facilities and paying to the dividends as well. Dividend is totally tax free, not totally, up to 10 lakhs, apologies. Now the last, past returns and comparison with Sensex and going back to peer comparison. This is Value Research Online. So I typed this name of the stock, this is etc., etc. So this is 10-year return comparison with the Sensex and the index, that is basic materials. From 2011 coming back to now, this blue line that stands for stock, let's have a zoom in, that stands for stock. That says stock has given more than 1700% return, whereas 23%, I apologize, 1700 is the stock price, right? So stock has given more than 23% on an average basis, whereas the stock Sensex have been able to give 11 to 12%. Not only this thing, you can compare it from other level as well. Here it is, the comparison. 2019 stock gives 30%, 18%, again 30%, 1%, still not negative, 17, 50%, wow, 10%. Can you see the consistency? The same was cross-checked with the charts as well. Whereas the Sensex in this year was down as well. After the demonetization, the market was slightly down. The Trump news is. In this year, the Sensex was negative. Stock still was able to manage out. This is the long-term growth, the comparison with the Sensex. Now, the very last thing, that is the comparison with the peers. The few peers, Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Nerolac, etc. This stock is like a elephant, हाथी के बराबर. Have a look at weighted market cap. The weighted market caps that derives company is having a good market share, not only according to its price, according to its equity capital as well. Moving back, the last valuations, adding an extra point as a bonus. Company is still trading at 16 times, which if this chart is being well maintained, right? Let's see, right now the company at 1552 rupees is valued at 16 times. According to the book price, latest updated 92 rupees. Let's take the high price. The company's high price that says 1900. That means the company would have been valued more than 20 times. More than 20 times. So still 4 times that can be achieved out. And what if it gives the breakout? What if it gives the breakout? That was a small video on Asian Paints. Would be updating further as well. I give a big thumbs up to a buy call for this stock, keeping this trend line as my routine checkup for checking out what is happening into the company, what is the next news, etc. So what we have done, introduction about the companies, various products, news products, the news, the company is boosting the morale, then we cross check the charts, balance sheet, profit and loss accounts, that comes into financials, promoter holdings, dividend policies, the past returns, and as well as comparison with the Sensex, and the very last, that is peer comparison, and the final sum up, right? That's all, my friends. If you want any other stock, you can comment into the sections. The maximum votes, I would be making a video as soon as possible throughout these steps, the small and effective steps where we can check management, financials, charts, daily news, etc. That's all. If you find the video useful, do subscribe, share with your friends, give a thumbs up, lots of love, stay safe. Thank you for watching the video.